song is it?
No, Truck Driving Man. Truck Driving Man.
I stopped at a roadhouse in Texas. And they almost killed me with the axe handles. Because I brought my the black taxi driver in.
Yeah.
It was not good, Mo.
No, it's still not good.
No, I ran through the briars and I ran through the brambles and I ran through the bushes where the rabbits couldn't go. And they had the axe handles coming after. I got to a phone booth and started screaming. And they knew. I'd let everybody know where I was and what was happening.
Nice.
And they backed off.
Nice.
Yep. Brains over brawn, Mo. This is an acoustic country cover. No, not. Oh, shit. Acoustic country demo, Mo. Let's try to stay with us. And which one is it?
Truck Driving Man.
Okay. And it was written by a fella named Pell, I understand.
Terry Fell.
That sounds like a comedian, you know, because
Terry
there was
Fell.
a really strange-looking guy, I think, named Pell.
Terry Fell. Was he hurt?
There's Terry Thomas. He had a big gap in his teeth. But, Truck Driving Man. I think we should change the nickel to $1.
I think it's still a nickel, isn't it?
Stopped at a roadhouse in Texas. It was a little place called Hamburger Dan. And I heard that old jukebox play. Song about a truck driving man.
Song about a truck driving man.
Well, I climbed back aboard my old semi. Feeling like a blade, I was gone. Yeah, I got them old truck wheels rolling. I'm on my way to San Antonio. By George Strait's house. Pour me another cup of coffee. 8 million. It's a steal. It is the best in the land. I put a nickel in the jukebox. Play that truck driving man. Yeah, that's right. Play a song about a truck driving man. Got me a song about a truck driving man. Bobby-oo, man. What's going on? Okay, hold it, you guys. Is that good enough? Okay, you got no more. Oh, you know what? I think we should perhaps as the years go on, we'll make it a little bit more of a lament all the time as the robots start taking over the truck drivers' jobs.
Yeah.
You know, because there's only going to be a couple of cowboys left, and that'll be the guys working the ranches. But it's, you know, not doing that good right now. And the cold water cowboys, of course. That's going to be hard to get the robots to do that. But anyways, enough of that crap. 3 Chords and the Truth is a pretty good show. You want to see it. And if you need mental health, happiness stuff, you go down to Griffinheart at Patreon. It'll be really cool. Your life will never be the same, just like it's never going to be the same right now. Now listen to me. Y'all come back now, you hear?